Hi, Shelly here. Today we're going to take a look at how to embed a YouTube video in Canvas. So I've got a page set up here that I would like to embed a video for my students. So as you can see, I've got a title at the top, and then I've got a little blurb about what I want them to do. And then right under that is where I'm going to embed the video. So I'm going to switch tabs and go to YouTube. Okay, we're here at YouTube, and I've just done a quick search on adding fractions with unlike denominators, and I found a video that I would like my students to watch. So I'm going to click on the video, make sure to preview it first. So what I'm going to do is come down here to where it says share. And when I click on share, I can click embed and get an embed code. So I am going to copy this embed code. And now I'm going to go back over to my Canvas page, and I have my cursor right where I want my video to be. Now, I'm going to go over here to my little three-dot menu, and I'm going to click this cloud to get my embed tool. Now, just notice that this is the new interface in Canvas. So if yours doesn't look quite like mine does, you should still have an embed tool up there in your toolbar. It might just look a little bit different. So I'm going to paste this here. And one thing that I want you to notice, I know this is a bunch of code here that you probably have no idea what it means, and that's okay. But one thing I do want you to notice, when you embed something, you're always going to have a width and a height that I've highlighted right there. So you can always change the size that you want your video to be. So I'm going to add this one in at the set width and height and hit submit. And so you can see how big that video comes in. And I'm just going to add the video in a second time. And this time I'm going to change it. And I've already done a little bit of math, so I know what the correct width and height should be. So, oops, this is going to be 300. And then to keep it the correct dimensions, I did some math, and it's going to be 168 if you want a little bit smaller video. So I'm going to submit that. And you can see that it comes in a lot smaller. So you can actually change the sizing in here. So I'm going to save this and just show you what that looks like. And as you can see, it's that easy to put it in there. I've got both those videos in, two different sizes. The kids can watch it right here in the Canvas interface. They won't get any of those other pop-up ads. I do want to point out one thing though, that if you do start watching the video, the kids can click watch on YouTube and it will still open the YouTube interface. So just be careful of that and know that they can still leave and go to YouTube. So that's all there is to embedding YouTube videos directly in your Canvas page. Thanks for watching.